What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a camber kit on my 06 Acura RSX Type S. Now the camber kit that I got here is a beautiful SPC camber kit, as you guys can see right here. And it came with the rear. These are the rear camber kit, and then for the front it's gonna be a camber bolt, so it's gonna be a very easy installation. And I also got this camber measuring kit, and this is magnetic, so you can put it against the brake rotor like that and then measure how much camber it got. So this is a very helpful tool. Yeah, it costs about 60 bucks, but anyways guys, I'm gonna leave everything in the link in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. But yeah, if you guys are planning to get a camber kit, link in the description below. I'm not gonna say this again. Please don't ask me in a comment where you guys can get this product. So yeah, and seriously man, shout out to the previous owner. So these camber kit are from the previous owner, and these camber kit are Skunk 2 camber kit in the rear, and it is not supposed to do that. And the reason why it's doing that is because the bushing in the rear is all torn up, so that's the reason why I'm gonna be replacing it today. And that was the driver's side just did, and the passenger side same thing as well. So yeah, so that's the reason why I'm going from Skunk 2 to the SPC camber kit, both rear and front. So yeah, I mean, I heard lots of good things about Skunk 2, don't get me wrong, but then, you know, as you guys can see, the bushing is all torn up on both sides. So yeah, let's give it a shot how the SPC will perform. I heard lots of good review on these, so it seems like very easy to remove the rear camber kit. It's not a really hard job, it seems like. So the previous owner zip tied down the brake line, so I'm gonna cut the zip tie out. That's the very first thing I'm gonna be doing, and then take this bolt out right here, and then take the two bolts out in the rear. So let's get that started. First I'm gonna cut the zip tie out to remove the brake lines out. There you go. So I pretty much got 217 right here holding it, so I can make this come loose. Just like that. Loosen the bolt out, and the bolt should come up pretty easy, straightforward. Yep, just like that. And the bolt is out. Yeah, as you guys can see how torn up the bushing is. This is not supposed to do that. Now I'm going to be breaking loose this bolt right here, using 17 again. I'm going to be using power tool. You know, you don't have to use power tool at home. You can always use, you know, a socket, ratcheting socket and all that. So let me get underneath here. Get that loosened up. You gotta be kidding me. Holy shit, how tight did he put it on? God damn. Alright, I'm gonna use the breaker bar. I really hope this will do the trick. If it doesn't, I don't know. Holy shit, that's on there. Oh my god, I got it loose. I can't believe I actually got it loose. Oh my god. That is on there. Holy cow. Let me remove that bolt using the impact real quick. I hope this will work. Really though, I hope it's not that tight on there. My god. But anyways guys, I got the two bolts out, and here is the old Skunk 2 camber kit, the camber arm I should say. It's all torn up. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy. So before I install the new one in, I'm gonna adjust the length for the camber arm with the same length with the Skunk 2 one, with the old one. So when I install it, you know, obviously it's gonna have the same length and all that. So, and for adjusting it, you can just twist it right here in the middle, and it will just extend. Alright, so that's about the same length. So I'm gonna tighten it down with these locking nut right here for the camber arm. So I'm pretty much gonna be doing the same thing backwards. I'm just installing the back end and all that. Two bolts in there, so I'm gonna be tightening it down. Okay, that's one. god, there's so much dirt and dust getting in my eye. Should be good. Alright, so I got the 2 bolts in back there. The next step, I'm going to put the bolt back in here. I have to wiggle a little bit to get it in, but it should go in. Then put the nut back on. Alright, and then I'm going to use the electric impact to tighten it down. Alright, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a 17-inch close-end wrench to hold the bolt down so I can tighten the nut down. Alright, that's good. That's tight. Alright, now after I tightened all the bolts down, the next step is to measure how much camber it got. So I hope the camera will catch this right here. But right now I got -1 degree of camber. So I don't know, I might just go send in with -1.5. So that being said, let's adjust the camber arm. Adjust -1.5. So next up I'm gonna adjust the nut to tighten it down using the spanner wrench. And that's how you pretty much do the rear. So now next step, I'll show you guys how to do the front. Okay, so there's 2 bolts here, one in the top and one in the bottom. So you want to take the top bolt first, and that's where you're going to install the new camber kit bolt. And you have to loosen the bottom one out to order to install the new camber kit bolt on the top. I'm going to remove this bolt. Alright, I know you guys can't really see it, so I'm going to try my best to hold my camera here. I'm going to be using a 22mm on the breaker bar. So let's break that real quick. Oh my god. That's on there. Oh, that is on there. Alright, I'm going to use electric impact to get this out so to make the job easier. Alright, so I'm going to hammer that bolt out. The bottom one. Should come out now. Alright, that's out. Alright, so next up I'm going to be installing a new camber bolt on. I have to use a jack to raise this up again. Or I might not have to. Oh nice, it's already looking better, I can tell. Cause on the previous I had a little bit more positive on the passenger side for sure. But now I definitely got, I think it looks pretty flush now, almost. Just need to install. Alright, so I all tightened it down, took it down to a torque spec to 125 foot-pound. And that'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now that's how you install a camber kit and bolt on my RSX Type S. Now I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now the thing is, I probably do need to get a new coilover set for my car. The reason why I'm saying that is, show you guys, but the reason why I'm saying that I need a new coilover set, well, I can adjust it, but it is, for right now, it is very hard to adjust it. As you guys can see, I have 0 preload from the previous owner. Seriously, man, shout out to the previous owner. You know, he definitely did not know how to work on cars. But yeah, I'm gonna solve this problem. But the thing is, the spindle is all rusted on there. I tried WD-40 and everything, you know, use an extension. And the fun fact, anyways guys, if you look at the spanner wrench I was using, this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what happens after I force it to try to break it loose for the spindle. And yeah, as you guys can see, this part is bent. So you know what, I just gave up, and I'm thinking just getting a whole new set of coilover for this car and just restart all over again, and you know, just give a nice setup. So that being said guys, let me know in the comments down below what coilovers you guys are running on your car. You know, I'm not really looking to get like a Raceland or anything, you know, nothing cheap at all. I definitely want to put a high quality parts in my car, like KW, Body Club. Well, I have Body Club on right now. Maybe get a different set of Body Club and redo the whole thing again. Or, you know, get like a function form or like something different. You know, I'm not looking to get a BC coilover because that's a house. Everyone has BC, you know, so I don't want to be basic and same with everyone. So, but anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than that, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.